I'm going to share a few simple tips with you to give you the best chance of landing the job that you really want. The main thing is research. Research, research, and more research. It sounds silly, but you're going to be up against other people that will have taken the time to do that. Going to the About Us section of a website isn't enough. You need to go and have a think about the company, their competitors, what's going on in their industry, and make sure that you're really prepared to go in there and wow the employer.
It's really good in an interview if you can demonstrate that you know some facts about the company. So put those facts into your answers, and that will demonstrate that you've taken the initiative to find out some information about the company.
At the end, 9 out of 10 times, you're going to have the opportunity to ask some questions. And that's a really good chance to demonstrate that research. So if I give you an example, you might say to the client that you're interviewing with, I noticed that you had double-digit year-on-year growth. How have you achieved that? Be ready to answer typical interview questions like, what are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? Where do you see yourself in 3 to 5 years' time? What do you know about our company?
Rehearse the answers and record them and play them back and think, how did I sound? Did I sound good? Did I actually get the messages across?
You should dress professionally and appropriately if you're going to a job interview that you want to take seriously.
Make sure that you overall just look corporate and well presented.
Make sure you're clean shaven. Make sure that your shoes are polished. Make sure you're wearing a tie and your top button's done up. The other advice I would say is make sure that you don't have an overbearing perfume or cologne.
If you wear jewellery, jewellery's fine, but again, err on the conservative side.
Additionally, make sure you know where you're going. Make sure you've researched the location, you know what time the buses are, the trains are, whether there's parking. It's not a good look turning up covered in sweat and out of breath.
If you live in a big city, give yourself plenty of time to get to the interview at least 10 to 15 minutes early.
For more information, you can go to our website and visit the Job Seeker Toolkit page.